Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, I am going to discuss one interview question which I faced in coforge, that is finding the letters, only the alpha letters from a string. That is, the string contains alphanumeric, but I will only find alphabets, that is letters. Let's do this. Yeah, let me open my IntelliJ. Yeah, in the IntelliJ, if you will see, this is a string, that is input, which consists of alphanumerics. So from here, I will just fetch only the alpha and display it. That is only literals. But okay. So let's do this. So string. Then I will write down alpha. Alpha. Alphas is equal to what I will do. Str. Sorry, it is input dot replace all. I will use replace all. Okay. In that, what I will do. See, this is alphanumeric string. If I will replace all the digits, then only alpha will be there. So how I will do that? So what I will do, I will just write down D. That means double slash D means it is digits. So I will remove all the digits. That means only alpha will be there. So what I will do, I will replace all the digits with this. Okay. Then if I will print this System.out.println alphas, then let's see the result. Okay, so only apple. It is showing only apple. Okay. Other than that, also, what you can do, you can also do in some other way. For example, let's say, okay, 1 second. Yeah. So what you can do, you can include only, for example, only A to Z and A to Z. So what does this means in the sense? This is only literals. Then just put notations. So not literals. That means. So let's put this notation. What does that means? It will replace all the characters which are not alpha. Okay, either capital or small alpha. Then it will give the remaining. Okay, so let's run this. You will see the same result. It will display the apple. Let's see this. Okay, absolutely working fine. So you can put, what you can do, you can put something other than, let's say, some percentage or %, something like that. Okay, and also if you want, you can put something, let's say, after that let's put some G. Okay, so it will print, it should print apple G. Let's run this. Let's run this. We'll get the result. Okay, apple G, absolutely working fine. So other than that, there is another way also we can able to get this. So let me, what I can do, I can write down, let's say, string builder sp is equal to new string builder. Okay, then I will write down follow for int I is equal to 0, I less than input dot length I plus plus, Then what you can write down, 1 second, yeah, so let's say character C is equal to input dot, let's say car 8I. Okay, then I'll write down one condition. If let's say character dot is letter C, if C is character, then just append sp dot append C. Okay, then after that I will just write down System.out.println sp dot toString. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, absolutely working fine. So here is the condition. Basic condition is if character is literal, only literal, then that time we will append in the string builder and we will display that. Okay guys, so that's it for this session. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys.